ka talaga yan. Yo, what's up guys? At nandito na tayo ngayon sa Barangay Dampe. Pupunta tayo ngayon guys sa Dals Farm. Dals Farm Sunflower.
Ayun yung nakikita natin na bundok guys.
Tingnan nyo guys, ang daming mga tagak. Tagak ba ang tawag dyan?
Hindi.
Ano ba yan?
Hindi ko alam.
Oo, tagak yan.
White bird.
Ang ganda ng farm oh. May ano sila, may patubig. Ang galing. Pwede ka maligo dun oh. Ay tara, maligo tayo dun. Ang galing naman. Fresh water yan.
Hindi pa paano lang ng ano yan.
Oo, pero fresh water yan.
Ang ganda no, marami.
Ganda ng view.
Sarap ng hangin.
Wow.
Sarap.
Nag-i-enjoy ngayon ng ating kasama guys. Ayan oh. Lumalanghap siya ng sariwang hangin. Kahit medyo mainit ang panahon ngayon guys, maganda naman sa pakiramdam dahil sa view na makikita mo.
Ayun o.
Yan.
Ganda no, dati.
I think there's no one.
We're here. At ito. meron pa naman flowers eh.
So, finally guys, nandito na tayo sa Dal's Farm.
Nasa farm po kami.
We're here at Dal's Farm.
No, that's not the Dal's farm.
Not Dal's Farm?
Ay, meron siya dito.
Going to Sabang Uma?
Meron. May lugar pa dito. OMG. Ay, ang ganda, may daan. See. This way to... Ay, ano to? Farm. Ay, ano to?
Villa Cassandra. Malayo pa yung resort dito, boss?
Ah,
Okay. Salamat. Pagsabihan ko lang.
ano pa?
Oo nga. Gabi ko lang. Wala kami nito. Hindi ba ko lang.
Saan pa ko?
Yo, what's up, man? Where's the Cassandra Resort, man? Where's the way, man?
Bacawan.
Ah, there. Ano, okay?
Is it
Yes.
open? Is it
1
open?
kilometer. 1
Okay.
kilometer.
1 kilometer,
Yes.
almost 1 kilometer. At the top of the mountain?
Oh yes. Yes.
Really?
Cement. This. What is this? Cement.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, man. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Maili ka!
Wow, it's ano.
Hey, what's up? Yo, how you doing, man? We're looking for Cassandra Resort. Cassandra Resort? Where? Straight?
Okay, at the top of the mountain natin. Magsay naman dito. Magsay naman dito.
Cassandra Resort. This way? All right. Straight? All right.
Okay. Oh, wait, you just wait for the another car. Oh, there's a car. Just here. Oh, there's a. Oh, wait. No, don't ask ano. Kasi.
I think Alicia's weekend.
Oh no, we can fix her. 9:11 pa lang.
just want to see this, you know?
Then we go home now. Cedric, there's no food for him, so we have to go home early.
Open pala ito eh. Yes.
Yes. We can go home now.
May kami san.
Na?
Magbalik tayo ng mga kami.
Nakatakot Kenny. We don't know what are we in. It's like a mountain. Bundok siya din. Can you open the door? Oh, okay. There's a place pa here, the mountain.
Top of the mountain.
Oh, see. It's kind of okay, there's a place here also pa. Oh, may lugar pa pala dito. May bahay-bahay din.
Parang nabuklod lang din.
Oo, kasi tama mo. May mga nakatira, may nagtitinda.
Saan mountain?
Okay. See. It's good to believe. Uy! See? Ang ganda. Ay, may pagpanda din. Eh, wow.
The top!
What school is this? Batyawan.
Yo, what's up guys? Where's the Cassandra Resort?
Cassandra Resort, upstairs.
Oh, it's,
Straight way.
thank you, sir.
Straight way.
Straight way.
How long is it?
Maybe 2 kilometers. From
2
here.
kilometers away from here?
Ano na lang? Ababa.
Dito talaga na yung sa...
Doon na lang.
Too far.
It's too far, man.
Oh, maybe.
Bas, straight ahead.
Okay.
Okay, that's up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cassandra Resort is
Thank
very
you
nice.
so much.
Right, yeah?
Masip. It's like it's slow. Oh, it's too far.
What's this?
It's like their covered court where they celebrate their event. There's a mountain. Oh, there's a mountain. There's a mountain.
Yeah, right there, right there, right there.
Gee.
It's our first time here, man. So we have a new discovery.
Ay, Batyawan. This is Batyawan place. Oh, I see. there's also bahay pa here. There's a house. There's there's Can we stop here?
Light stop it.
You just move over.
No.
What's that? Hello po.
Sandra Resort.
Sa taas. Thank you, ma'am.
Alright.
Meron pa pala nakatira dito. Ang ganda naman ng place nila. Ay, ang dami pang bahay dito. Ang galing naman. Akala ko wala nang nakatira dito. So, meron pa palang
Sa loob
lugar.
ng bundok, meron pa pala.
Meron pa pala. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa siya bundok. Parang sapang bato, no? Ano?
Wala mo papunta yung kahay.
Ay, mukha ting tries. Oh.
Papan Jerry. Oh.
So, this is Barangay Batyawan. So, mag-move forward pa tayo dun. Ano ka, Michael? Ito yung... school pa to. Subic Sambales?
Is this Sambales?
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Sambales na pala to.
No.
Sambales na, sambalin nyo. Sambales na po ito.
Sambales? Na to?
Opo.
Talaga?
Oh.
Ito, ano, under ng Subic.
Ano yun?
Akala ko under...
Nasaan yung
Ano po?
resort? Cassandra?
Opo, ayan po, ganyan po yan.
Malapit na siya?
Thank you.
Salamat. Hi!
Ay, Sambales na to, Daddy. Ang layo na natin.
Nakarating tayo ng Sambales.
Oh, my G. Ayan yung Villa Cassandra. Ay, kaso lang ano siya. Ay, pababa.
This way, Villa Cassandra.
Ay, tas wag na yan, T. Delikado na, pababa.
Malipano. Malipano.
Ay, bako-bako na siya. Ganyan siya. Kaso lang magpapabook ka. View. Ay, bako-bako yan. Di mo na tutuloy. Learning
Ano
Daddy.
kaya mo?
Buti pa nagsambales na tayo. May dagat na dyan. Tagalog na yung mga tao dito. bundok na yan.